Hello there, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing the process of replacing the magneto condenser on a 1962 one-cylinder Tecumseh engine. This one is on a Sears lawnmower. Begin by removing the spark plug wire, then you will need to remove the 3 head bolts holding the engine cover on. Then loosen these 2 head bolts or else the engine cover might stay stuck. Remove the 2 lower bolts that hold the cover on. Now pull it off. Remove the flywheel cup, then put the nut back on and make it flush with the end of the crankshaft. Take a big hammer and give the crankshaft a few good bangs until the flywheel comes off. Make sure to be careful when banging on the crankshaft, or if you don't hit on it squarely, you can damage the shaft and or threads. I have taken my flywheel off several times, so this time is unusually quick. In other words, it will probably take you a lot longer. So don't get discouraged. Remove the nut, then pull the flywheel off. Make sure you do not lose the flywheel key. Next, unscrew the condenser. Remove the nut that connects the wire to the points and coil, but this one can get tricky because the small bolt will sometimes slip on the inside of the magneto. If this is your case, you will need to remove the magneto cover and then hold the bolt head with small pliers. Next, install the new condenser. Connect the wires back up. Make sure you install the wires where they won't rub on the flywheel, or you will run into all kinds of problems because they'll ground out through the flywheel. Don't forget to put the magneto cover back on. Screw on the new condenser. You are now ready to put the flywheel cup, washer, and nut back on. Place the engine cover back in place. Put the 3 head bolts back on, then tighten all 5 head bolts down in a cross pattern. Now put both lower bolts back in and tighten them. Last but not least, connect the spark plug wire to the spark plug. Now since it's all back together, you can try to start it. I hope this video has been helpful, and if so, please smash that like button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.